Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your emails in the Gmail are stuck in the queued status and won't send from your phone, don't worry. Here are some easy ways to fix it. Let's go. First, you have to check your Wi-Fi and make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi. Now, simply open your Gmail app and refresh to check if your emails went through. If this doesn't help, you can open your Gmail settings in your mobile phone and force stop the app. If this step doesn't work, you can open your storage and you can simply click on clear cache and close this. Now you have to open the Gmail and check if the email went through. If this doesn't help, you can simply click on these three bars and go in the settings. Now select the email from which you want to send your emails and scroll down until you find the sync Gmails option. Mine is already selected. Now with this, your emails should go through. If you want to check your sent emails, you can simply click on sent button and check your sent emails. And that's how you fix queued emails in the Gmail on mobile. If this helped, hit like, subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech fixes. See you next time.